What's up, Chiefs?
We're back with another video, and today
We are eating this monstrosity.
it's a ghost pepper. A ghost pepper on the Scoville unit is 1 million. You know what a jalapeno right there? Some people die eating those, such as myself. That's about 3,000. We're in trouble.
Alright, so we definitely underestimated the value of an ounce. There's like 30, and we need 3. Me in the alley behind the library at 6 p.m. Damien will be there,
Central Time.
and sure. Feeling on the streets to
Peppers.
survive. Underground pepper market.
It's illegal. Oh my. We're gonna do this. You don't think about it until you think it's not bad until you stare at it.
No, I think it's bad. That's why
No,
I'm
no.
freaking out.
It amplifies 10 times once you're staring it in the eye. Thinking,
I remember 3 weeks ago you texted me and you were like, we need to eat ghost peppers. And then we looked online for like 4 hours.
yeah,
And now they're here and I'm, oh god.
we're staring it in the eye.
I did not want this to happen. I actually didn't.
Awesome.
I built a boat today.
How scared are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
I understand that you're stressing, but like, come on, we got
No.
it. We literally got it.
European. Alright, let's do it.
All right, let's go. Let's go. We're in this together. It's gonna be
Can you count down from 30?
Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck me.
Oh,
It's hot.
oh. You got swallow it. Holy.
It's not that bad.
Ha!
I can't.
Hey. Holy. My tongue, man.
I'm also lactose intolerant. Let me up.
You have to move location.
It's so bad. It's not that bad. My tongue hurts so bad. Oh my god.
Oh, my stomach's starting to hurt. Oh, shoot.
I'm gonna throw up. Come on, Kate.
Do you need the communal spitball?
Ah.
You guys need some time? You guys want to go cool off outside? Okay, let's go. What's wrong?
My stomach is. Oh gosh. I feel like I need to throw up, but I can't. My stomach is not working.
I think it is working, and that's the problem.
Yeah, that might be a little bit.
You ready? No.
All right,
I'm
you
not
can
ready.
do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do
Well,
it.
I've done it before,
Yeah, I know, but
right?
this time will be
But you
worse.
guys make
I'm
me feel a
confident.
lot worse about it, because I feel like I got really lucky with the pepper that I
You
ate.
probably did.
It was terrible.
Alright, bro, let's go. Ooh, get ready.
That's a freaking bad idea.
Well, I will take a sip of milk to try to get it down after I chew it, but I'm gonna try to refrain as much as I can.
One thing about Austin though, he handles the spice.
The spice. Watch him be like,
Right, because I can't swallow it because of the type of flake it is.
Yeah, bro, the texture's a tad weird. It's just dried.
Well, here's the first one down.
No way.
it's hot.
No way, bro. He's taking it like a champ.
It's definitely kicked in now.
I don't know why, but you look like Ricky
Oh,
right
got
now.
the hiccups already. Oh god.
The hiccups are fire.
We didn't get that. We didn't get the hiccups. I did throw up though.
He
So I
literally looks so fine.
think- Can I light this thing on fire?
No, it's a fire starter.
I know. Can I flake off a piece and light it on fire?
No.
I'm gonna do that.
Trying to get it out, but it won't come out.
That's what she said.
How do you feel after eating one of the hottest peppers in the world?
You see this lighter? It's like somebody took this, and just and just That's how I feel.
That's the conclusion of our video. Thank you so much if you made it this far. It means so much to the team and I. If you try to eat a pepper like we did, please be safe. It can be very dangerous and can also be very dangerous for your eyes and stuff if you don't wear gloves. So make sure if you do a challenge like this, be safe. I don't recommend doing it. It was pretty bad, but whatever you do, just make sure if you do it, stay safe. We haven't been uploading that much recently, but we're getting back on track a little. You know, we just had we've had very conflicting schedules, you know, but we're getting it all back together now. Hope you guys like this video. We put a lot of effort into it, and it was very fun to film. It was very fun to just create in general, so thank you a lot for watching it. It means a lot, actually. And last but not least, if you would please subscribe, that would mean the world to me. Please leave a comment in the comment section of future video ideas, stuff you guys want to see. If it's a good idea, we got you. Smash that like button, and last but not least, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Make sure you comment down, like I said. If you want to see a video, we got you. Make sure your comments in, criticisms, video ideas, anything you want. Alright, that's all I got to say for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me. Peace out.